The Serpent Is Rising is the third album by Styx, released in October 1973, a mere 3 months after their previous album Styx II in July 1973. The album was reissued in 1980 with new artwork and a new title, Serpent. The band considers this to be their worst recording. DeYoung has gone far as saying it was one of the worst recorded and produced in the history of music. Described as a loose concept album, the recording contains a number of sexual innuendos, including the title track, The Grove of Eglantine, and Krakatoa. The album peaked at number 192 on the Billboard 200, their second lowest charting album, and as of 2007 has sold fewer than 100,000 copies worldwide. Track listing. Personnel: Styx, DeYoung, keyboards, vocals, James Young, guitar, vocals, John Kuralewski, guitar, keyboards, vocals, Chuck Panozzo, bass, John Panozzo, drums. Additional personnel: Bill Trout, saxophone on 22 years. Production. Producers: Styx, Barry Moraz. Engineer: Barry Moraz. Cover art: Dennis Pohl. Charts. Album: Billboard, North America. Styx, The Serpent Is Rising. 1973. Album review by Lindsay Planer. Credits and releases at AllMusic.com. Styx, The Serpent Is Rising. 1973. Album releases and credits at Discogs.com. Styx, The Serpent Is Rising. 1973. Album credits and user reviews at ProGarchives.com. Styx, The Serpent Is Rising. 1973. Album to be listened as stream at Spotify.com.